What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to be learning a quite important thing in all of app making. It's that when you click a button it brings on a new page, and we are going to be doing that in SwiftUI. So without further ado, why don't we get right started. So now that we're inside in SwiftUI, why don't we get right started? So here I already made a new app. So just click app, we made a new app. Now let's click here. And here we are in our code, okay? So now let's quickly just delete this code. And let's try to format that a little bit better. Perfect. Okay, now let's start coding. Well, this is actually a very simple thing to do. It's only one line of code. Actually, two things you have to do that to be able to do what I'm going to show to you guys at the end of this video. First, we just have to click this button. If you guys don't have that, it means that you have to click this small locker button. Then I'll show you all of that. And press here that file button. And here press Swift file. Call the file whatever you want, guys. Call it like my file. Okay. Let's go back to my app. To content view. Let's go coding. So what to do is that we just say, okay, we say link, navigation link, destination, so it's my app, and here we just put a set of parentheses, and here let's just put some name. Let's put the button name. Click me. Click. Okay. Let's see. What is the error? Oh no, guys. Actually, if you guys see that there's an error, it's because we have not finished writing our code. So here in my app, there's literally nothing. In my file, there's nothing. That's what's erroring, because it doesn't really exist. So to fix that, let's quickly just copy these two things, and then the curly brackets will add them later, because it's really long and useless to memorize all of that code that you have to write every time you make a new program. So that's why I just like to copy and paste. And here let's just say vstack, and here let's say, I don't know, like what do you want to say? Let's say, what if we want actually? So let's just say like hello, thank you for clicking me. Thank you for clicking me. Okay, and now if we just press play, or if we just press this button, here let's look at our app preview. And let's wait for it to load. Oh, it's an error. Let's see. Okay, let's go back to our content view. And error. What is the error? Okay, so the error is also that, what is the error? Oh yeah, I found it. Because look guys, here we have to put the name of the file. Here it's my file, so here we have to write my file. My file. Okay. Right now, did it stop shouting at us? Okay. Problem, guys, is that here, yeah. So, problem is I wasn't. So there we were saying like, what were we saying? We were saying my app, but actually that was not the name. I don't know why I wrote my app. But anyways, it has to match with everything. Every name has to match with each of the other names so that we know which one to do. If everything's the same name, and we talk about the same thing, then we know that it's the right thing that we're trying to talk about. Then we know that we're not going to get an error. But yeah, so we should name everything in the same class, same name, all of that. And here it's because we defined it as my file, but we called it my file. We call it my file with the space lowercase f. But anyways, okay. So now, if we press go, or if we just preview it over there, it should say click me. Okay. Let's just go here. Let's see. Stack. And let's put this back up. Okay. And done. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So guys, we also have to put in a navigation stack because that's where all of the navigation is happening. So if we quickly review here, we do navigation link. That's the function that we want to do. That we want to use. Here are the arguments. Click me is the name of is what's going to be written. And here's the destination, my file. Yeah. So there is just the name of the file. My file's the name of the file that we're trying to use. And yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, see you next one. Bye.